Did you know dogs can hear things we can't? 3 facts about dogs' hearing will surprise you, and the last one will blow your mind. First, dogs can hear higher frequencies than humans, helping them detect faint sounds. Second, dogs can rotate their ears to focus on the source of a sound, pinpointing its location precisely. Third, dogs can hear sounds from much farther away than humans, about 4 times the distance. Dogs are not just loyal companions, but living radars. Subscribe now or your pet will judge you. Seriously, they're watching.